Our next guest here at the Showstoppers press event, the official press event the night before the IFA show opens, is with a company that's been taking our radar, if you will, radar detectors, among many other cool products that we're going to talk about, literally into tomorrow. They're driving us into tomorrow with some really cool tech. Product manager with Cobra is Brian Hosler. Brian, welcome into tomorrow. How you doing?
Doing very well, thank you.
Other than no sleep for a lot of hours, that kind of is the deal when we all travel from the U.S. at these kind of trade shows.
Running on fumes, but it works. It's fun, so it's worth it.
Well, when you have fun products, and you do, to talk about, then who needs sleep? We can sleep when we're dead, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So tell us what you're showing here at IFA this year.
Cobra is known for radar detectors, CB radios, two-way radios, but the two really cool products that we're showing is first of all, we got a new line of dash cams called Drive HD dash cams, and all dash cams they're 1080p full HD cameras that constantly take video of the road ahead of you.
Kind of like a lot of police departments use, and we see dash cam video from police pulling people over, and having been a former police officer, I can relate to those kind of things. But now Cobra and others are bringing them to consumers. Yeah,
and dash cams, if anybody recalls, last year there was the big meteor in Russia, and that meteor was filmed by, it seemed like everybody over there, and the reason is because in Russia they have 50% of drivers have dash cams. So it's very popular internationally. We brought the same technologies over to the U.S. And with a really nicely branded line, and they're just very quality cameras. They do a great job. So
for those listening on the radio, when you can, swing by intotomorrow.com, look at the video from when we're talking to Brian, and check it out. Show us the dash cam. This is a different product, so I'll hold it, and you can show us the dash cam.
Yeah, this product is called the CDR 900. And this is our highest end flagship model dash cam, and this one's actually 1296p video. It's got a 160-degree viewing angle, so you can see very wide viewing angle, so you can see things coming from your side and whatnot. And the cool feature with it is it has Wi-Fi capability. So as you can connect directly to your phone and view video on the phone, you can do all the settings through the phone.
Because I'm thinking the first question people are asking, dash cam, Wi-Fi, where does that come in? But there you go. You want to be able to start and stop it and adjust settings, maybe adjust resolution if it's a longer trip. Like at the highest resolution, how long will it record?
So the highest resolution, it would record right around an hour on an 8 gigabyte card, which comes standard with it. It'll fit up to a 64 gigabyte card, so you could do up to 4 hours that way. But then at 1080p full HD, which is as good as any TV will show, it'd be more like an hour and a half for an 8 gig card. And then the key with all dash cams that makes them different from an action cam or another type of camera is that when that memory card's full, it will automatically just delete the oldest footage. So it's constantly going to be recording the most recent hour and a half, 4 hours, whatever your card will fit.
Of course, the idea there being is that if nothing occurred in front of you while you were driving, then you don't need to keep it.
Yeah, 99% of the time, nothing interesting is happening while you're driving.
Fortunately.
Yes. But that 1% where something is happening, you want to share it, and that's the whole great thing with dash cams is, first of all, you can keep your car safe. If you get in an accident, God forbid, you can have evidence that it wasn't you for police or whatever. But then in addition to that, it's just sharing cool stuff. So, something runs across the road, something fun happens. You see a big rainbow is what I got things.
So you're thinking very positive things, and the old police officer in me is thinking accidents and other dangerous things or meteors flying through the air. But that's cool because the point is you have that variety. If anything interesting happens, pro or con, good or bad, you have a record of it.
Right. Yeah, so use it or don't use it, but it's great video, and the CDR 900 really makes it easy to share it on YouTube, share it with your friends, without even having to connect to a computer and go through all the file management and stuff like that.
Now, if you would, so Chris can show it more close up. Spin it around. Let's look at the screen itself and tell me about the options and the screen and what kinds of controls it has. It's a very small device, which is very cool as well.
Yeah, it's a small little device. In terms of controls, you can control your resolution. You can control if you want it to work like an action cam, or if you want it to work like a dash cam. We actually have optional accessories like a waterproof case and stuff, so you can use it as an action cam.
And it's also considerably smaller than the popular GoPro. I mean, people know that.
It's a very small camera, and it's using the same sort of chipset, the same quality video as a GoPro would use. So it's a good little unit. So
and you find that folks are doing just that? They pull it off the dash and use it as an action camera for sporting events or whatever. Yeah,
it's versatile. So it's definitely can do that, and we encourage it. But yeah, we're really promoting the dash cam side of it just because that's what people sort of haven't gotten with the GoPro yet. But yeah.
And what does it cost?
This is retails at $249.
Same price as the GoPro.
Yeah. So yeah.
$248. You'll sell more.
Now that. Now, it will include a lot of things that the GoPro styles wouldn't. So it includes the SD card. It includes all the mounting hardware. So that's the one thing, is it's ready to go. That's all you need. So.
And of course, mounting, I'm assuming suction cup kind of a thing for your dash, and then you're good to go. Does it work automatically when you start the car and begin to move? Yes. Or do you have to turn it on and off with the phone, for example?
Yeah, so you can set it as soon as it gets power. So you plug it in with your cigarette lighter. As soon as that gets power, it will turn on and start recording. And then as soon as you turn it off, it'll stop recording and turn off. So it's designed to work when your car's working.
Okay. So, which is kind of what you want a dash cam to do.
That would be the idea.
See, that's where the jet lag is setting in for both of us, right? And available now, and where can folks get it?
Yes, available now. You can see it on Cobra.com, various online and here's the jet lag. Brick and mortar retailers. Sorry. Yeah.
I know it's pretty sad when we do so much online, we forget that there's actual stores still.
There are stores that you go to, and we'd be in a lot of the big electronic guys. So.
Gotcha. And before we run out of time, tell us about the Cobra Jump Pack as well, which is something you're showing here at IFA, and I'll hold the dash cam and put it in my pocket.
Yeah, this one's a super cool product. So it's actually a jump starter. So on the radio you might not be able to see it, but this thing's probably 4 inches by 2 inches. And it will jumpstart your car from a completely dead battery. So it's so
this little device that literally can go in your pocket will jumpstart my car?
Literally, yeah. So we've got it's awesome because you can keep it in your dashboard or dashboard, whatever.
Yeah, put it next to your dash cam, but glove box maybe.
Over dash cam perfectly. So it'll work as a jump starter. It'll also power your phone. So it's a battery pack too. So it's got a USB port.
Okay, now we're seeing the USB port and also what appears to be a nice bright LED light as well. And you can shine it right into the camera. Chris gets the idea that way.
Yeah. It's a very good little tool. This one retails for, I believe, $119.
And how does one jumpstart a car using this? Is it USB to battery alligator clips? Or look at this.
Little alligator clips that go into it, and they just snap into this port right here. And then literally all there is to it is you attach the positive and negative into the leads on your battery, and you press the power button, and it doesn't seem like it would work. I promise it does. We've jump started Chevy Suburbans at our office in the parking lot with the battery completely detached twice. So it packs a punch. So
that's awesome, and that's the Cobra Jumpstart. You said $119?
Yeah, it's called the Cobra Jump Pack.
Sorry.
Yeah, so it's a great little product. So it's also available now.
Terrific. Well, we'll look for all the cool Cobra stuff, and of course visit Cobra, Cobra.com. We'll link you there too when you visit us at intotomorrow.com. Brian, you're a delight to chat with. Keep making fun, cool products, and we'll keep talking about them.
We'll try.
Back with more Into Tomorrow from IFA in Berlin, Germany. I'm Dave Graveline on the Advanced Media Network.